come say hi to me. Just get in the car with Chris Snap. Oh my god, I'm gonna go drifting!
I just got here and
I don't care you call me!
You're here!
Go ahead, say something about drift vloggers. Go ahead.
What's up?
What's going on, guys? We're at Englishtown Raceway Park right now. We are chilling with... Oh, got him.
Unsafe zone. I'm here for my keys and that's it.
Dude, did you see him nut up?
Ice is good. You want him?
What's up, Joey Mac?
Oh,
Are you angry today?
I'm always angry.
Do we need anything else?
Hey guys. No, it's
Hey.
What's up?
No, it's not.
So what do I have to say out of the way?
We don't do hot lap anymore because y'all fucked it up.
I know you don't like vlogging, but what are we running?
We're on a reverse A group.
Hot lap?
No hot laps. No.
You're not driving, that's why.
Yeah, they can't handle hot laps.
God,
no one
no.
can listen.
Told you, we're not doing hot laps.
No one can listen.
They're banned.
What happened the last hot lap that everybody screwed up?
Well, people weren't paying attention to flags and stopping, and then people were actually stopping
And
up
getting
at
out.
grid, like waiting for other cars, and you can't do that during hot laps.
If you can't hot lap, don't stop. But the whole crew's out here right now. We got a whole squad.
It was a sloppy first session.
Dude, I'm pumped on how Chris is driving. Does he have a tow hook?
I don't know. Good
So right now, one of our homies, TJ's car just broke down somehow. We don't know what the issue is, but Bobby's telling him out right now. You'll see it. You're in the vlog,
No pictures, alright?
Well, I can't afford you.
No.
But yeah, this is how you tow a drift car. That's why everybody in C Group, if you're actually coming out to Club Lewis, you need a damn tow hook. Because if you don't, what do we do if they don't have a tow hook?
Can't. I'm gonna fucking throw the hook through the car.
Basically, you hook it to your bumper, and whatever comes out, what comes out. That's the car we're towing.
And I'm the nice guy, by the way.
Out of everybody.
Yeah. Oh. I don't know why I did that.
Danny Heat, are you bringing the heat with the drone?
Of course, man. Just getting some drone shots right now, as you can see.
We can't really see much.
It's all good. But you just missed that 350Z. You actually see that.
for this video, dude.
It's okay, because
Give me an update. How's today going?
me and Fable are gonna go do some more driving together. And, Fable, are you ready?
I gotta get my glasses.
I don't have glasses. I just have chinky eyes. It looks like glasses.
What? Justin!
So these are my friends.
I'm ready to party.
We are ready to party.
Everybody knows my friends.
We are gonna go tandem.
I'm in your car.
Okay, sounds great.
I'm just jumping in. Fuck it.
Oh, sweet.
And then you're following this.
What is this?
Savage?
Gotta try and like knock it out of your hands. We're gonna do some hot boy entries. We're gonna go fast. Wow.
Can I clutch kick
That's-
entry?
Whoa, this is cool.
And I'm gonna drive your car.
Yeah, if you could reach the pedals. It's not a short joke, it's just I'm really tall and my seat's not adjusted.
This bastard just called me a short Filipino.
Short Filipino.
You still gonna send it? Open my eyes?
Hold her wide.
What, my eyes are wide, would you say? Another day, another beer. Oh yeah, you're not even of age.
Larry the Enticer.
Alright guys, we're out. It's kind of a cool day. Everything was chill. It was one of those a lot of seat time events. We got some GoPro footage. Danny's got the Mavic and some really cool cinematography stuff, so thank you.
Peace out. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.